Any mention?
Yes.
May I please, Your Lordship? Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 17. The
Yes.
previous matter may come after 3 weeks, Your Lordship.
No objection. 3 weeks. The request made with the petitioner. Yes.
Pleasure.
Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 10.
Yes.
No objection, Your Lordship. I'm appearing on behalf of the state.
So the only prayer of the petitioner, not objected to by the learned counsel by the respondents. When do you want it?
Your Lordship, after 2 weeks.
Just after 2 weeks. Yes.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 8.
Yes.
Lordship, I pray for 2 weeks' time.
Why? What for? These are old matters. Why?
Lordship, there was some RTI inquiry and we are awaiting the reply. My instructions are those.
For respondents? Why they?
I think it's the center, Union.
Just on request made on behalf of the petitioner. This matter after?
2 weeks, my lord.
Yes.
Grateful moments.
It is Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, back to mention item number 24, my lord. This is, my lord, that romantic relationship. The matter is still pending before the Honorable Division Bench, my lord.
After? You are for the?
I am for the respondent 3, my lord.
There is no one for the petitioner. Petitioner counsel is absent. It is also 3 weeks.
My lord.
On the request of Mr. So-and-so, London Council. Yes. Yes.
My lord, I beg to mention item number 19, my lord, if this matter can be fixed after 2 weeks. Item 19.
Yes.
No objection, Your Lordship.
19 2 weeks. The petitioner. Yes.
Obliged.
Please, Your Lordship. Lordship, I'd like to mention item number 16. Your Lordship, here the respondent 4 and 5, which I'm appearing, has expired on Friday, Your Lordship. So just number 16.
So,
Respondent 4 and 5 are right here. He has expired on Friday.
4 and 5.
4 and 5.
Both.
Same person. One as acting Sodar, and he's the head of the Yok Nyau clan.
Passed away.
Yes, sir.
So now you are the respondent here.
Yes, Your Lordship.
So anyway, let for the petitioner to take steps.
Yes, Your Lordship. I'm just informing.
Yes.
Lordship, on the last occasion, we are supposed to take steps under respondent number 3, but then we are informed from the registry that there is no such order, specific order to that effect. So may I please, Your Lordship?
Just then wait. That's the matter we called.
Your Lordship, I also would like to mention item number 22, Your Lordship.
22.
Yes.
For further 2 weeks.
Objection, my lord. No objection, my lord.
No, you allow him to complete. You see,
Sorry, my apologies.
it is not that just only the item number is uttered and then you come.
No, absolutely. My apologies.
Yes. When do you want it?
2 weeks, Your Lordship.
On request made on behalf of the appellant, list of 2 weeks. Yes. Which one are you mentioning?
22.
Similar prayer for item number 12, Your Lordship, on behalf of the senior counsel.
Item number?
Item number 12, on behalf of the senior counsel, Mr. S. Chakravarti, Your Lordship.
Yes.
No objection, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, here the main respondent is MECL.
MECL is not present here.
Your Lordship, Ms. Colney is on legs.
And when do you want it?
2 weeks, Your Lordship. 2 weeks.
Yes, sir. On the request made on behalf of Mr. S. Chakravarti, London Senior Counsel, appearing for the petitioner, not objected to by MS Jadi Nocturnal London GA, appearing for the state. List after 2 weeks. Yes.
Obliged, Lordship.
May I please, Your Lordship? I beg to make a mention of party of the hearing list, item number 26. So if this
No
matter,
objection, my lord.
after 2 weeks, Your Lordship. Yes.
No.
You have made a mention on behalf of?
State, Your Lordship.
The state is the petitioner, isn't it?
Yes. Sorry, Your Lordship.
Yes, 2 weeks.
Highly obliged.
May it please your lordship? Your lordship, I beg to mention item number 23. Your lordship, I pray for 2 weeks' time in this matter.
Who is the respondent here?
Your lordship.
Yes. No objection.
No objection.
This also on request made on the petitioner, just after 2 weeks. Yes.
Your lordship, I also beg to mention item number 21.
Yes.
Your lordship, this in this matter, there was talks for settlement. The respondent herein has gone, but then they have not reached a settlement yet.
Lordship, it's still ongoing.
There is a talk of settlement.
Lordship,
This has been recorded before.
no, Lordship, this is off record.
Just say item 21. You just say the Learned Council appearing for the parties submit that there is a talk of compromise between the parties. Yep. A joint prayer has been made to adjourn the matter to facilitate. The effort by the parties to settle the matter outside the court. Prayer allowed. List after. When shall we list?
Your lordship, 3 weeks.
Lordship, 3 weeks.
3 weeks. List after 3 weeks. Yes.
Highly obliged, Lordship.
Lordship, obliged.
Lordship, I beg to make a mention of item 11, Lordship. I am for the respondent in this matter, Lordship. Lordship, I pray if this matter may come up after 2 weeks.
No objection. Just say on request to me by so and so, not objected to by so and so. List after 2 weeks. Yes.
Highly obliged, Lordship.
May it please your lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 13 on behalf of Mr. H. Khalmana. My lord, it's a joint request, my lord.
13 and 14 are
13 and 14.
Lordship.
Yes. When do you want it?
After 2 weeks, my lord.
Joint request made. You are also there. You are also a part of the request. Are you a part of the request? Because
No.
petitioner said that is a joint request. Joint request made by the parties. This is matter after 2 weeks.
3 weeks.
3 weeks. 3 weeks. Yes.
Highly obliged.
May I please, Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 20, my lord. This is regarding the quashing of this POXO proceedings, my lord. Lordship, may I fix it after 2 weeks, my lord.
This is not on the ground of
Yes, my
existence
lord,
of.
it's consensual relationship, my lord.
But then again, it will be dependent on that.
My lord.
Now these are all become never-ending things. This also just 3 weeks on request. We'll have it after 3 weeks then.
My lord.
Yes.
replicable.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yeah.
My Lord, item number 15. I am for one of the respondent, my Lord. I am the respondent appearing for the Doloi, my Lord. She has she got a stroke, my Lord, and she is not well, my Lord. She cannot talk also, my Lord. So can this matter be taken after 4 weeks, my Lord? I have taken the concern of my friends. She got a stroke.
No objection. You are appearing for respondent number?
Respondent Doloi. What is the number?
Dollar is 8.
8, my Lord. 8. Respondent number 8.
When you want it? For how long you want?
My Lord, let it be after 4 weeks because she one side of her body is not working, my Lord, and she cannot talk also.
Then it is for you to argue.
No,
See,
no, my lord.
Unless
No, my Lord. I'm not appearing for respondent number 8.
Yes.
The counsel for the respondent number 8, my lord, she got in stroke, my lord.
Okay, who?
Care Letep, my lord.
Okay.
Either they will engage a new counsel, my lord, or
His name is not there.
she was appearing, my lord, because Nida, she was supposed to appear, my lord, on this matter. I don't know.
Anyway, we will not track on anything. Just say on the request made by Mr. SD on behalf of the learned counsel appearing for the respondent number 8, not objected to by the learned counsel for the petitioner. List of we will have after 3 weeks.
My lord.
After 3 weeks.
May it please, Your Lordship. Lordship, I
Yes.
beg to make a mention of item number 6, Lordship.
Item number?
6, Lordship. Lordship, I'm praying for some time on this matter.
Sometime.
Lordship.
What is that sometimes?
2 weeks, Lordship.
You have seen which this case is pending for how long?
Lordship.
What is the matter involved here?
Lordship, it's a subsidy matter.
Subsidy matter. They are not paid by the. They are not satisfied with the amount which was paid to them. They want enhancement. And it's pending from more than 12 years.
We'll take up, Lordship.
Yes.
No objection, Lordship.
Just say record petitioner's prayer, not objected with the respondent, list after 2 weeks. Yes.
Lordship, similar prayer for item number 7, Lordship. Obliged.
No objection. No. Same order. Yes. Anything more?
No, Lordship. Obliged, Lordship.
Yes.
Item number 1.
Yes, Mr. Khera.
Yes, my lord.
My lord,
Mr. Pandey, yes.
I have filed a miscase for impleadment, but I believe, my lord, the CRP has to be admitted first.
Oh, there is a miscase filed by
Miscase,
you?
I have filed miscase 1 for impleadment, my lord, as a necessary party.
So you want this miscase to be disposed of fast or?
My lord, here we have raised the issue of materiality of the petition.
Okay.
So that has to
Can we implead him before the issue of maintainability is decided?
Lord,
That
I
we can
think-
do it or not?
No, my
the
lord.
issue materiality has to be heard first, my lord.
Otherwise, the implement cannot be allowed. Anyway, whatever way you want. There may not be a bar also. You can
There will
implead
be a
him
bar.
and he can also take part in admission hearing.
Yes, yes.
My lord, actually, I am the implementing agency of this project. This project, my lord, is a World Bank funded project, my lord. NERP, SIP, this is for strengthening the intra-grid. That is the transmission system within the state, my lord. From the existing 11 kV and below to minimum of 33 kV and above, my lord. So, my lord, this particular project which we are doing, my lord, this land was purchased by MECL, the agency on behalf of whom we are executing the project, and Mr. Pandey here is for MECL who have filed the CRP. Now, my lord, post
So
that...
you want to be implemented as a petitioner?
my lord, my respondent, my lord, I'll be supporting the petitioner.
Where is your miscase? What is your miscase?
Miscase 1, my lord.
If you take up your implementation application fast, and if you allow it, Mr. Pandey has any objection? No.
No, my lord, I have no objection.
You have no objection because he will be supporting you.
Yes, my lord.
So, if you allow this application, then again the cause title will have to be fast corrected before this method is taken up.
My lord.
Yes.
No, since the petitioner has no objection, then my lord can always
Yes,
complete
you
the
cannot. He is the
application.
master of the litigation. Isn't it?
My lord.
You are appearing for the?
Your Lordship, I'm entering appearance on behalf of respondent number 3.
You are contesting respondent or
No, Your Lordship.
how many existing respondents are there already?
Here, 5 respondents, my lord. I'm appearing for 1. Respondent number 1.
Okay, we'll do one thing. We'll dispose of this miscase. We'll dispose of this miscase, and then first you will order in miscase, or Wait. You are entering appearance on behalf of
Your
respondent
Lordship,
number?
in the main CRP, Your Lordship, I'm respondent number 3 for the Darbar, Your Lordship.
3 is the Darbar. Village Darbar Umtang.
Yes, Your Lordship. I'll be filing my now in the course of the day, Your Lordship.
Okay, but then in the miscase you will be for respondent number 4. Opposite party 4, isn't it? Or respondent number 4. So you also will not have any say as far as miscase is concerned?
Your Lordship.
Yes. Heard Mr. Kerala London Council appearing for the applicant. Or just say hard all the parties appearing. Hard just record the name of the respondents appearing. You see, you take this case because the number of the respondents will be different. Okay. This here respondent number 4 will be respondent number 3 in the main thing. So just see that thing and just say hard landing council appearing for the parties. Then you say next paragraph, this is an application seeking implement. Application for implement in CRP number 28 of 2024 as respondent number as a respondent. Stop. It is submitted for the applicant that the case at the CRP, just say CRP number so and so, the main case, okay? CRP number 20 of 2024 involves a project of which the applicant is the implementing agency. And hence any order passed in the revision application would have a bearing on the applicant. Stop. Mr. Pandey, Rani Council appearing for the respondent number 1 has just say none of the respondents. Okay, you do one thing, Mr. Pandey. Rani Council appearing for the respondent number 1, who is the petitioner in the CRP number so and so, has no objection. Stop. Similarly, other councils appearing for the council appearing for the other respondents have also no objection. Yes, sir. Paragraph is in view of the above, this application stands allowed. The applicant be included as respondent number.
My lord,
Who is already? How many are there now already?
My lord, in the CRP there are 5 respondents. I'll be number 6.
Yes, we include as number 6 in CRP number so and so. Stop. The respondent number 1 shall take appropriate steps for impleadment of the name of the applicant in the area of purpose. Stop. Application starts, dispose of. Then come to the main thing. You just say in view of the order passed in miscase number so and so, the petitioner shall take appropriate steps for impleadment of impleadment of, he is not a party here already. Impleadment of applicant in Ms. case number so-and-so as a respondent in this revision application. Stop. MSJD Nankindi Learned Council has entered appearance on behalf of the respondent number
3, Your Lordship.
3. What, you need time to take instruction, or
Yes, Your Lordship.
Mr. Pandey will just allow her? She has entered appearance today. Yes.
Yes, my lord. Yes.
Yes. And praise for grant of some time for taking necessary instruction. Prayer allowed. Instructor.
Lord, 1 week. There is certain urgency in the matter.
You are there, Mr. Pandey is the main man. He is not objecting. Who are you?
Now I am pleaded, my lord.
You are still on list after 2 weeks. Yes.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
Obliged, my lord.
Item number 2.
LC record is here with this code.
It is there,
Yes. So where is the threat?
Yes, my lord.
I don't think there is any obstruction.
Obliged, my lord.
Yes.
Last occasion, Mr. Sanglis was asked to prepare the calculation actually, but it's not reflected in the order. But of
Yes,
course,
where is
at the
Mr.
time of
Sanglis?
hearing, he was. Since they have filed the objection, that's why.
So you are supposed to file furnish as a chart. You have prepared. You are ready for the thing today, or? So what is to be done? When shall we do it? When shall we do it?
No objection, Lordship.
Objection. At the meantime, let them also supply that.
Just supply us the copy of the thing.
Yes.
Give us. Give it to. Have you not submitted to the court?
Not
We have not
Give us a
submitted
copy and give to other councils also. Give them a copy. You do not have extra copies. Give them all the parties. Let them also see. It is only for the purpose of helping us in calculation. Because Mr. Sangma's petition is not done in that way properly. Okay, we just say on prayer made on behalf of Mr. H.L. Sangrisha, Learned Counsel appearing for the respondent number 1. List this matter after 1 week.
Lordship.
After 1 week? 2 weeks?
No problem.
No problem. No objection, Lordship.
No objection, Lordship.
No objection. After 2 weeks.
Item number 5.
Apply, Lordship.
Much less, Lordship.
Yes.
I've saw instructions from respondent number 2 and 11 and have no objection.
Okay, what is this case about?
Lordship, was a quashing of the GR case 217A of 2015 under Section 7 of the Central Commodities Act.
Non-supply of rice by the distributor, my lord, that is. They have, among themselves, my lord, they have compromised and they stay in the same.
Not a public offence.
And, they are resident of the same village.
So you do not have any
I
objection?
do not have much of objection, my lord.
What is the decision of the apex court? Just say with the quashing of the matter on the basis of the compromise.
Lordship, I have a few judgments.
What is the decision? Which one you are here furnishing?
Gyan Singh and Noshi
Gyan
Ali.
Singh. And after that, there are many others, isn't it? This is 2012.
Lordship.
Where is that thing? This. Okay, this is. What is this? This is notes. This is not that Gensing judgment. Where is Gensing is 2012. It is reported in 2012. This is not Gensing. What you have given me? Given this. What you have given here?
So my apologies, Lordship. There was some error in printing.
This commentaries will not help us. You have to give us a reported case. You have that?
No, Your Lordship.
Gensing?
No, Your Lordship.
You come with Gensing. When can you come with Gensing?
I'll search for other relevant judgments also, Your Lordship.
Why Gensing is not helping you?
No, it is, Your Lordship.
Then? Anyway, you see, do not have to come with these things, but then you should come prepared. Okay. Your case you should take care, isn't it? When?
We have a week, Your Lordship.
Yes, we'll have it after.
Yes, ma'am.
And the prayer made on behalf of the petitioner list after a week. You take back this also and then submit it at a time. There are many decisions.
Lordship.
Obliged.
Hello, Your Lordship.
Or you can furnish the decision of this court also. This court has accepted.
Yes.
Dispose of many matter,
Yes,
quash
Lordship.
many matter on the basis of compromise.
Yes,
If you have ready reference, that also you can do.
Lordship.
Hearing item number 9.
May it please, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, there is a newly pleaded respondent on this matter, Your Lordship.
That's one number 8.
Lordship.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Yes.
I was supposed to file an affidavit, but I don't know whether he has already filed or not. On last occasion,
who
last
is the
opportunity.
counsel? B. Ghosh. From local council?
Yeah, from local. I'm also not very familiar with his face.
So what is to be done?
Lordship, may allow us some time to file a rejoinder on.
No, have they filed the affidavit?
Lordship.
They have not filed.
They,
That's one number
They
8
have
is
not
filed
given
or
me a
not?
copy. I don't know whether he
Oh,
has
has
filed
been
or
filed.
not.
It has been filed. Anyway, just say. So you want to file a rejoinder? You want to file a rejoinder?
Lordship.
Okay. Just say so and so are present on behalf of so and so. Then this is only restaurant number 8 who is absent. You will represent all other restaurants.
No, I am the other private respondent, other private respondent has been represented by KP. I am representing only for the state, Your Lordship, in this case.
Just record their appearance. Then you say, in the next line you just say, the office note indicates that an affidavit in opposition has been filed on behalf of the restaurant number 8. Stop. The learned counsel for the petitioner prays for grant of some time for filing a rejoinder to the affidavit in opposition of the restaurant number 8. Prayer allowed. List after
2 weeks, Lordship.
2 weeks. Yes.
Obliged, Lordship.
Hello, Blake.
Item number 16.
Yes.
Your Lordship, want to inform the Honorable Court regarding respondent number 4 and 5. He expired on Friday.
Oh, achha, this is the matter.
Yes.
Where is the petitioner? Yes. Have you heard what submission has been made? By the respondent number 4 and 5, by the counsel for the respondent 4.
4 and 5.
So what you will do?
I'll take instructions, Your Lordship.
Yes, it is Mr. B. Kiriam, learned counsel, appearing for the respondent number 4 and 5 submits.
May I please, Your Lordship?
The said respondents, comma, being the said respondents being the same person.
Yes,
comma,
sir.
has expired on
Last Friday, Your Lordship, on the
has passed away. Just say it, just has passed away. Stop. Stop the Mr. So and so learned counsel appearing for the petitioner.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Prays for grant of some time to take necessary instruction as to the steps taken.
Lordship, I also would like to submit that on the last occasion, we are supposed to take steps under respondent number 3, but then we are informed from the registry, Lordship.
Respondent number 3 is already represented. Where is the question now?
No,
Mr. Calindo is appearing, is it?
Your Lordship, last time, if you can recall, Mr. Yubin appeared. The chief has been suspended, new acting chief has been in place. So whether they'll be representing the acting chief, they have not got any instruction. That's why no steps has been taken.
No, that is Mr. Yobin's submissions.
Yes, sir.
That was on the last occasion.
That is on 22, 23. No, the last order with regard to Mr. Yobin's submission, which has been recorded, is on 20th February. It says, Mr. Yobin, learned counsel appearance 3 submits that there is some development in this matter for which he needs fresh instruction and prays for some time. So that is what.
So after that, we have brought to, by my colleague, it was brought to my lord's notice that the chief was suspended and an active chief has been appointed.
So now acting chief, you do not have any instruction from the acting chief
We
to
do not
appear.
have any instructions from the active chief. my lord.
Okay. Anyway, just what you said last. Okay, just say last and after the submission, Mr. Karim's submission, then I will say, just after full stop, you say petitioner shall seek necessary instruction in this regard. Give a full stop. It is also submitted that the existing respondent number 3 has been suspended from the post of
Chief.
of
no
you say chief means you take him CM or you do just say
He's the CM of Nobosopo same ship, my lord.
okay from the position has been submits that respondent number 3 CM of Nobosopo, just see that thing, and is replaced by an acting CM. Stop. Mr. Yevin submits that he has no instruction from the newly appointed CM to continue his appearance in this case. Stop. Just give a paragraph in view of the above. The petitioner shall take steps for service of notice upon the respondent number 3 within 2 days. List after 2 weeks or 3 weeks.
2 weeks,
2 weeks. That's all right. 2 weeks. You're also there, Mr. Hati.
Yes.
Appearing for?
Respondent number 6.
My lord, or let it be 3 weeks because as per my my knowledge, my lord, the trial is going on, my lord. The inquiries are going on. Evidences have been taken by the district council officers, my lord. So it must be at the verge of completion also, my lord.
3 weeks.
3 weeks.
3 weeks. Make it 3 weeks.
18.
Yes.
This short question of law is involved, my lord, yeah? Whether director of a company is liable under the Drugs and Cosmetics Act or not. But in fact, my lord, I've made a compilation of judgments. Unfortunately, there is one judgment of the Supreme Court which is very specific to this particular case, which is not with me today. So I'll just seek 1 week's time, my lord.
Yes, definitely.
So that we don't have to go to the entire controversy.
Law,
my lord.
this court will not understand much. So ultimately, you have to give us supporting.
Yes, my lord. Because otherwise, we don't have to go into the entire controversy. It's a very suitable to our case. Where the Apex Court has decided that until unless there are specific averments, and in the complaint they have been able to establish that I am involved in the manufacturing process. Because ordinarily directors and managing directors would not be involved in the manufacturing process.
There is a kind of judgment, I think, recent judgment by the Apex Court.
There is, my lord. There are judgments when it comes to...
the director is specifically involved in the...
But those are in relation to, my lord, NI Act and some other, my lord, companies. Okay. But specifically to drugs and cosmetics, I'll place before this court, my lord. Just give me a week's time.
So that will cover your case.
It will cover, my lord.
It's correct, isn't it?
But they will say that they have taken specific averments, my lord, but then lordship will see whether the averments will show that I am involved in the manufacturing process or not. Because ordinarily, my lord, managing directors of a company, because the drug manufacturing process is totally different. You need experts.
The director is never expected to be physically involved in manufacturing.
Absolutely, my lord. Absolutely.
Just a minute. But then if something happens under his instruction, then what happens? Because he will not be the ground level worker at least.
The question of vicarious liability will come, my lord. Whether he, having appointed somebody else to do that specific work, and that person has failed to discharge his duties in a proper manner, should I be liable before the court of law or not? That is the question, my lord. Because drug manufacturing process will entail somebody who is an expert in the manufacturing process. Ordinarily, a managing director is not required to possess that specific requirement. So others may be involved. Others, criminal liability may be liable for criminal action because they are supposed to be the persons who are in charge of the manufacturing process. But I am sitting as a managing director. I am taking other parts in
You are
running
taking care of the
affairs.
business transaction.
My lord, the entire business. It may
You
be
are
marketing, it
not
may be
at all
something
involved
else.
with the manufacture of the drugs. That is
Exactly.
the work of experts.
Exactly, my lord.
Now, what is the allegation here in this case?
Well, the allegation is that because I am a managing director and director, I am involved.
What is the allegation that this is a...
Well, that via this contravention of the Drugs and Cosmetics Act, my lord, substandard drugs have been manufactured. That is the
very dangerous offence.
But I have, well, there's a civil part of the act also where, my lord, my license have been suspended. So, I've already been punished. And thereafter, my lord, they have taken criminal action also.
That is okay. That is that stands as different footings. We will have to see whether you see like civil action and criminal
Yes,
action.
yes, that also.
That is one thing I want to say. But then the primary question which you have.
Absolutely, my lord. Whether
that
I
is whether
am
the
liable.
director can be.
Yes, my lord.
That is right.
Yes, my lord.
Okay.
Have it
Yes.
after 1 week, my lord.
Lordship will have it after 1 week, Lordship.
After 1 week. Sure.
Lordship.
Okay. Prayer made by Mr. K.C.H. Gautam, Lord Counsel, appealing for the petitioner. List after 1 week. Yes.
Obliged.
25.
The 5 grounds, my lord, I've taken in this, my lord. This is there's a quashing of the FIR, my lord, filed. Mr. Shul, seniors? Oh, he's here.
Oh, that is related to that whole matters.
Yes, my lord. So,
DGP
my lord,
matters, isn't it?
no, this is the last FIR, my lord. This FIR was filed immediately after I filed an FIR against the former DGP, Mr. Bishnoi, and his FIR has been and the charge sheet has been set aside by this honorable court itself, my lord.
Yes.
So the first ground, my lord, is. My first ground is there's an absence of cognizable offence, my lord. There's
You will not take us to the FIR first before.
No, I'll just laying down my grounds,
Yes,
my lord. What are the grounds?
Yes.
And the second grounds that I'm taking is, my lord, malified intent and retaliation, my lord. This FIR is backed as a retaliation with malified intent, my lord. There's a second ground that I'm taking, my lord. And the third ground that I'm taking is there is a procedural irregularities, my lord. In procedural irregularities in the sense that, my lord, the FIR is purely a violation of Lalita Kumari's case, my lord. There is no preliminary investigation, my lord. So therefore, I say that is a procedural irregularity.
Is it whether Lalita Kumari mandates that in each and every case there has to be preliminary inquiry?
My lord, preliminary inquiries, my lord, if there is, if not very heinous, my lord, if very allegations are not very heinous, my lord, of not a nature of.
Which we decide what is heinous and what is not
My
heinous.
lord, for example, like if it is, if it's a very cognizable offences, my lord. Some cognizable offences, because in this case, my lord, I file an FIR as a counterblast. On the following day, there was an FIR against me, my lord, and of the allegations of more or less emanating.
We are asking that what is a heinous offence and what is not a heinous offence.
My lord, heinous offence will be cases where these are cognizable offences, my lord. Cognizable offences, punishment, allegations of punishment, which would be, my lord, which the police can take cognizance. For example, murder cases.
It is one thing to say that all heinous offences are cognizable offence.
My lord.
That is one thing to keep. But then see which way we decide what is heinous and what is not heinous.
My lord.
Just because case of mere assault.
Yes.
Say 323. The police has a power to investigate.
Yes.
Does it become heinous offence?
My lord, but the Lalita Kumari, as far as I understand, my lord, says that whenever there is an investigation, or whether this FIR, my lord, of not a very serious in nature, my lord, at least preliminary investigation, because so many times
you are not answering the query of the court. You are going somewhere else. Anyway, it's okay,
my lord. So, my lord, and my lord, and
you said, see, your query was based on your submission. You said that there is a heinous offence. So that is why the court wanted to know what is heinous and what is not heinous.
My lord, we'll come back to that later on, my lord.
All right.
So, and few other grounds.
So your first ground is that there is no disclosure of cognizable offence.
Yes, my lord. Now I'll take to my lords to the FIR, my
You
lord.
said there are 5 grounds, but then you have stopped after 3.
I'm sorry.
You said there are,
My lord.
you have
Yes.
stopped after 3.
Yes, my lord.
Or is it that the court is disturbing you in your course of submission?
No, not at all, my lord. So, next one is, my lord, this FIR is nothing but a systemic harassment, my lord.
That
Just
will come under Malafide, as you have already
Malafide,
said.
my lord. And there is also a prejudicial investigation, my lord. So these are the few grounds, my lord, I am taking. Of course, there is one.
See, prejudicial investigation cannot be a ground for quashing FIR, can it be?
My lord, when because at that point of time, my lord, when I came initially before, there was a different. The circumstances has changed, my lord. Now, of course, because and then because it was aimed, my lord, this FIR at that relevant point of time was aimed to derail the complaint filed by me against the former DGP, my lord. That was my contention, my lord, at that point of time. Of course, my lord, by efflux of time, now this may not be very relevant, my lord, but because I just wanted to point out, my lord. So I'll come back to the first, my lord, absence of cognizable offence, my lord.
Yes.
Now the FIR is at page 18, my lord. Page 18. The first part, my lord, the first part, the second part, these are all the repetition of the contents of the FIR that I have filed, my lord. May I just read, my lord?
It's up to you. Yes, if you want this court to go to, definitely read it.
Yes.
Page 18.
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
Page 18. Annexure 4, my lord. This is filed on 10th May 2024, my lord, to the officer in charge, Sada Police Station, Shillong, subject FIR. So, with reference to the above subject, I would like to inform you that Shri Gabriel K. Yangrai filed a false FIR against the members of the inquiry committee at Sada Police Station on 09/05/2024. In the FIR, Shri Gabriel K. Yangrai alleges that I have the honor to bring to your kind notice that the inquiry committee, I have the honor via letter to bring number to your kind office that the inquiry committee constituted via so and so in its report content in para 1 of page 3 states as follows. One Hyundai Verna which is parked at Central Workshop has been allotted a fake number and no registration of the vehicle was done by AIGA. Since no documents are available, the said report appears to have been prepared in an easy chair, that is to say, without making an on-the-spot inquiry and cross-checking the record of the Transport Department. As per letter under Right to Information RTI about the said vehicle, that is Verna 1.6, is registered with the Transport Department, Government of Meghalaya, Shillong, as ML02A 0001 in the name of the Director General of Police, Government of Meghalaya, Shillong. The aforesaid information nails down the said report of the inquiry committee which calls for necessary action against a member of the committee. In this regard, I, being one of the member of the inquiry committee, would like to clarify that based on the order of the police headquarters by so and so, dated 18th July, an inspection and inquiry was conducted at Central Workshop on 19/7/2022 by the said inquiry committee consisting of Shri M.K. Singh, so and so, Davis Natsal, Marak, and Srimati Claudia Lingua, Commandant. The committee submitted a report to the police headquarters on 20/07/2022. Shri Gabriel K. Yangrai has quoted para 1 of the page of the report in the FIR. However, Shri Gabriel has deliberately not mentioned the date of the submission of the report. I would like to inform you that based on the inquiry report which was submitted to police headquarters on 20/07/2022, the police headquarters has registered the said vehicle, that is on 22/07/2022, and a copy of the registry certificate for the said vehicle was submitted by Gabriel himself in the FIR, which clearly mentioned the date of the registration of the FIR as 22 so and so. He has deliberately ignored the fact that on the date of inspection inquiry, that is on 19/7/22, the vehicle was not yet registered but was subsequently registered only on 22/07/2022.
after the inquiry report was submitted on 20/07/22 was in fact the false registration number plate on Varna 1.6 VT till 22nd/07/2022, generally put under the order of Shri Yangrai, who was then serving as an Assistant Inspector of Police Administration. Thus, it is apparent that Shri has malefied intention in harming the members of the committee, namely Mr. So-and-so, so all the three inquiry officers, and therefore he has filed a false FIR with the intent of making false charge of offence made with intent to injure, which is a criminal offence punishable under Section 211 of the Indian Penal Code. In view of the above circumstances, I request you to kindly take necessary action against Gabriel K. Yangrai for making false charge of offence made with the intent to injure the committee members, and also for putting a false number plate on Varna so all these things. And accordingly, my lord, the registration, the FIR was registered under Section 409 of the IPC, my lord, 409, 467, 471, 211, 120B, read with Section 192 of the MV Act, my lord. Now, my lord, 409 was so, my lord, 409, 409, my lord, talks about a criminal breach of trust, my lord. Criminal breach of trust. Now, 409, my lord, if you see, 409, criminal breach of trust by public servant. By public servant or by banker, servant or agent. And it says, whoever being in any manner entrusted with property or with any dominion over property in his capacity of a public servant or in a way of his business as a banker, merchant, factor, broker, attorney or agent commits criminal breach of trust in respect of that property shall be punished for imprisonment for life or with imprisonment of either description for a term which may extend to 10 years and shall also be liable to fine. So, classification of the offence is, my lord, imprisonment for life or imprisonment for 10 years and fine is cognizable and is non-bailable. So, now, my lord, in this, as per the allegations, my lord, where is the proof of this appropriating this particular Varna, my lord? RTI application shows that this vehicle was in fact registered. This vehicle was registered as ML0. In this entire FIR, which you have read out just now,
yes, my lord,
what is the charge against you? What is the charge? If you just in a nutshell,
yes, it is.
What is the literal meaning? Just do not go to the technical part now.
The literal meaning.
What is the allegation made here against you?
The allegation made here is a
that you filed a false
FIR, Section 211, my lord.
But then what else? And what does it say about that Varna? So far as the discussion in the FIR,
yes,
what it says about that Varna vehicle, what does it say?
They say that
so far as your rule,
yes,
concerning that Varna vehicle is concerned,
yes,
what the FIR says? What role you have played?
The FIR says that I have put a false number plate on the Varna, but RTI application says that this Varna was registered with that number only, ML02001. So, sums and substance, it comes to.
So you say that the allegation,
yes,
based on which that accusation was made,
yes,
is totally incorrect.
Yes,
Totally incorrect, and they say that because because I filed a false FIR, and while referring this FIR, they have again and again referred to the FIR filed by me against the DGP and also against the make a mention of the inquiry committee, and they say that I filed a false FIR. Now, if I file
Filing false FIR, as they say, that may be an offence under 211, but then that is not at all a cognizable offence. It is not cognizable.
exactly, this is my point, my lord.
That is okay.
Yes.
That is okay. But
Yes.
then you have to see what about the others. Now 409 speaks about criminal breach of
Trust by public servant.
so trust by public servant.
Yes.
So it means there has to be an allegation that you were entrusted with a property,
Yes, yes,
isn't it?
yes,
And there is a breach of trust by you
yes,
in respect of the property.
yes.
Now, what is the property here? Is a vehicle.
It's a vehicle.
And the allegation is that
Misappropriated that vehicle.
which way?
Misappropriated, now I don't know which way, because this
What
is
is
very
the- what is the-
skeptical. It says that now the thing is that, my lord, the physical
Misappropriate means in order to cause loss to the
to the government. The government. Now
the
the
person who entrusted the property.
Yes, exactly,
That means
my
here it is government.
Yes, my lord. Now, misappropriation would mean that this Varna was entrusted to me. Maybe by playing fraud, maybe by playing deceive, maybe any other means, I have made this vehicle disappear. Maybe sold it off, maybe
You have
auctioned.
done something by which the value of the vehicle has come down.
Has come
You have made
Yes.
the government
Yes. Loss.
suffer loss.
Yes,
See,
yes.
That is what.
Yes, ma'am.
Now,
So-
what is your act? That means like you change some parts probably.
Probably
Isn't
I've
it?
changed
By
the
which you reduce the value.
exactly, ma'am.
Now, allegation against you is that, or rather, it was against with regard to the registration of the vehicle.
Yes, yes,
Now, even if it is found wrong,
yes.
can it come under 409?
My lord, in my humble understanding, it will not, my lord. It will not. And RTI, my lord, to substantiate, before even going to that part, my lord, the RTI, the DTO RTO office himself certifies that in fact this Varna bearing this registration, chassis number, or engine number, is registered with the with the RTO.
Where is the FIR? What is the allegation? Just let us come back to the complaint. Where is that allegation with regard to the Bharna? Just overlook that part where they say you filed that false FIR.
My FIR, my lord.
No. Their FIR.
Oh, their FIR, my
At
lord.
page 19 or that the part. Let us
Yes,
just read
yes.
it again. What they say.
I would
about
like
that-
to from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The ninth line, my lord. See
Of page?
Of page 19, my lord. Page 19. The ninth line, my lord. After the report, full stop. Then I would.
Yes.
From here, my lord. I would like to inform you that based on the inquiry report which was submitted to the police headquarters on 20/07/2022, the police headquarters has registered the said vehicle, that is Verna 1.6 VTVT, on 22/07/2022, and a copy of the registration certificate for the said vehicle was submitted by Yangrai himself in the FIR, which clearly mentions the date of the registrations of the vehicle on 22/07/2022. So which means that
then he has deliberately ignored the fact. Read the next line.
he has deliberately ignored the fact that on the date of inspection, that is inquiry, that is on 19/7/2022, the vehicle was not yet registered but was subsequently registered. After the inquiry report was submitted on 20/07/2022, was in fact a false registration number. So, was in fact a false registration number plate on Verna till 22/07/2022, generally put under the orders of Shri Gabriel K. Yangrai, who was.
That means
Yes.
sorry to interrupt.
Yes.
See, Mr. Yuvin, that means they say this vehicle remained unregistered till 1907
Yes.
when the inquiry was held.
Yes.
And the registration which you are referring to,
Yes.
it was done on 22/7.
Yes. Yes.
So prior to that,
Yes.
the occurrence was prior to that. Prior to that means like you were made liable for that
Now, my lord,
because till on the day of inquiry the vehicle was not registered.
yes.
Now anyway, let us see. Just now, what is the allegation? Okay, let us assume that vehicle was not registered.
Yes.
Now
Yes.
then, what do you say? You say, now which way non-registration of the vehicle?
Yes.
Let us assume this is correct.
Correct.
Just
Yes.
for the timing, for the sake of argument.
Correct. Yes.
Now let us assume that yes, vehicle was not registered.
Yes. Yes.
Now which way you become responsible for that?
I don't become responsible for that. Mayor,
What the FIR says, just tell us.
the FIR is saying that on the day of the registration, we found that the vehicle was not registered.
On the day of the inquiry.
On the day of the inquiry, it was not. Subsequently, I have registered and have submitted. What is there the
No, no,
inquiry?
it's okay. You have
Yes.
subsequently done it.
Yes.
So let us say like this commission was crime. When this FIR was filed? FIR was filed, the time when this FIR was filed, what is the date of filing of this FIR?
This FIR, the date is on 10th of May 2024, my lord.
10th of May.
10th of May 2024.
That means after the vehicle was registered.
After the vehicle
So
was
then-
registered. Yes.
And then this, it is related to the incident of 2022.
Yes. Yes. So that is the reason
Very
why.
unusual.
Yes, that's the reason why I said, my lord, when we come little down, my lord, I said that it's a systemic harassment, nothing else, my lord.
And that is only allegation in this FIR.
Yes, my lord. Allegation of this one,
Apart from that
and then
211.
filing of false charges against the. So these both are non-cognizable, my lord. So that is the reason I say that.
Why? See, 409 is otherwise cognizable. But then what else is non-cognizable? 211 is non-cognizable, you understand?
My lord, now my lord has seen
According
this.
to you,
Yes, my lord.
this will constitute offence under what section of law?
Non-registration of FIR. I'm sorry, non-registration of the vehicle, my lord. My lord, at most, my lord, it might attract the MV Act. I am not very sure about it. But under the penal consequences, my lord, if I don't register the FIR, my lord, riding a vehicle without registration without registration, my lord, yes, that.
No. What was the? We do not understand one thing.
Yes.
That if that vehicle, if it was not registered, then you yourself, in the capacity of IGP, how you were responsible? What the FIR says? How you become, because was that a vehicle which was used by you?
No, it was not used by me, my lord.
Then why they have made you liable?
Yes.
For non-registration of
That-
the Bharna?
That can be that, my lord, in my humble submission, that can be explained by the complainant
That is
himself.
okay. What is your understanding? Which
My-
way?
my-
Just tell us.
Yes.
Which way you are connected with this vehicle and how?
My lord, I am connected not only with this vehicle, my lord. I am at that relevant point of time, since I was a AIG administration, my lord. It was my responsibility to ensure that all the allocations of the vehicles are done in accordance with law, according with the procedure, my lord. And registration vehicles are purchased, my lord, as per.
Okay, so for
yes.
for arrangement of vehicle,
Yes.
you do not have separate traffic bench to handle with it, or say like
in the police
officer,
department.
a cell to handle that motor vehicles. It is not there. It comes under the administration.
Administration, my lord. Not only in vehicle,
But in
my lord.
administration, is it not that your day-to-day affairs in all other things?
Exactly, my lord.
Vehicle is handled by, say, like a police traffic officer or something like that.
My lord, as a head of the administration in the police department at that relevant point of time, my lord. In fact, now also, my lord, it is not only about a vehicle, my lord. It's overall, my lord. Even in transfer posting, my lord,
So
in construction.
it is admitted that this vehicle was under your charge.
Under my charge.
That
it is-
relevant point of time when
Yes,
the FIR
yes,
was.
yes, yes, yes.
Now, allegation is that the vehicle was without
Not
registration.
Without registration.
Maybe it has run for some times, without registration.
My lord, there
it
is
was
no
subsequently registered.
no, there is no allegation of the vehicle being run also, my lord.
Okay.
They say that it is we found.
It remained without registration.
Yes, it is found in the in the where in the parking with the in the designated
garage,
parking.
In the garage.
Yes,
In a
yes.
stationary mode.
Yes, yes. So subsequently, I have made a registration and I submitted a registration. Now, the basically, my lord,
But
why
that happened 2022. This FIR comes in 2020.
comes 2024, my lord. And now, my lord, all these facts, my lord. Now the other point comes to my lord.
Now tell us, just say the non-registration of the vehicle.
Yes.
Till that 22/7 when you
Yes.
make register.
Yes, my lord.
What losses incurred to them, and how 409 is attracted here?
My lord, that
Which way that property stands? If you have to take this vehicle as a property,
Yes.
which way that is misappropriated by non-registration?
My lord, I'll have to answer. I'll have to answer in this way, my lord.
Okay, no, that is
this,
for them. They will have to say.
this
So,
vehicle.
according to you, no 409, no increase.
No 409. And
Yes.
this vehicle, my lord, this vehicle was allotted to the DGP, my lord. This is an official vehicle that was allotted to DGP, and he wanted to, but however he requisitioned a Kia Carnival, and then he started using the registration number of this Verna fitting in the Kia Carnival, my lord. So this my allegation was this is a misuse of the registration number.
Okay, come to 467.
Yes, my lord. Now, section 467. My lord, 467,
Forgery with
471 is a forgery, my lord. Now, I
Forgery
don't
with
know.
cheating.
I don't know.
Then skip it. What is 471?
471, my lord, just show me 471.
There is no allegation of forgery in the FIR.
No, my lord. No.
So only allegation in the FIR is that
Yes, my lord.
that you have filed a false the FIR against them,
Yes.
and that the vehicle was not registered
Yes. Yes.
till 22/7. Till 27.
Yes, ma'am. And 471 is using a genuine, a forged, or electronic, whoever fraudulently or dishonestly uses a genuine or any documents. So.
Okay.
Now, my lord, there is no allegation to that also, my lord.
211.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, how-
211 false charges. Now, of course, that
211 that is what we have seen.
Yes,
that
my
is
lord.
non-cognizable offence.
Yes,
so
ma'am.
until and unless this cognizable offence stands,
Yes.
this cannot be clumped together, isn't it? And treated
Exactly,
as
my
non-cognizable.
lord. It cannot be, my lord.
That
And
is circle
here-
law.
Yes.
And then what is 120B? How 120B is coming here? You have conspired with whom?
My lord, that is what. Today, FIR, I am the alone person, my lord. Inquiry is a lone person, my lord. That is the reason why I said that the preliminary should have, Lalita Kumari's direction should have been followed.
Yes, Mr. Sulai, how you defend this case?
Your Lordship.
How you defend this case?
Lordship, this FIR has to be read in conjunction with the report 20/7/2022. Lordship, kindly come to page 24. That is the report, Your Lordship. In my humble and respectful submission, Your Lordship, yes, registration of the FIR, Your Lordship, is necessary. Because this report of inquiry is part and parcel of the FIR. So the FIR has to, this report has to be treated, Your Lordship,
In conjunction with?
with the FIR, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, kindly see the inquiry report which
Page
was
24.
Page 24, Your Lordship.
Page 24 is the... Okay, it starts on page 23.
Lordship, yes. Page 23, Your Lordship, this is Shillong Times,
Report.
report,
Okay.
Your Lordship. But page 24, Your Lordship,
There
this
is
is the
nothing,
report.
nothing at the head, nothing at the top, just
This
like
is
that.
this is the document enclosed by the petitioner, Your Lordship.
On what basis we determine what is the date of inquiry? And what is the seal?
Lordship, there is there is no date, Your Lordship.
So which way you can treat is...
Lordship, this has been made part and parcel of the part and parcel of the petition.
No, that is, but
And-
then a document must look like a document. Yes, Mr.
Lordship,
you
can
will-
you see? Can you come to page 19?
My lord.
Where is the beginning and the end of this inquiry?
Lordship, it
Page
start-
23, my lord, it starts, what
No,
my
no,
learned
where is the
thing
thing?
is.
There is nothing. It just only, this is the entire text only.
Lordship, kindly come
when
to
it was
yeah.
held, how, where, who prepared this report, who forwarded it?
This is a part of the Shillong Times, my lord.
So this report is also part of the Shillong Times.
Yes, that is the reason why I was saying, my lord, before this inquiry was initially conducted.
And you want us to act on the basis of the Shillong Times report?
Not my purpose of showing this Shillong Time was, my lord, is my lord, how they have, my lord, from day one, my lord, my stand was that there was an inquiry conducted against me, and which I did not know. All these 3 inquiry officers were conducting an inquiry against me, which I never knew.
So that
I came to know.
That should
Yes.
not go to the thing. Just
Yes,
tell
yes.
us about how this inquiry report will be accepted by this court.
My lord,
Is it a report or is it a report?
No, this is a news report, my lord. This is a news
entire,
report.
up till page
Yes,
20.
yes. So this, before they even submit this inquiry report.
Mr. Shula, you will not decide if it is a...
Lordship, kindly come to page 19. In the FIR, there is a statement. Kindly come to page 19, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, kindly see an inspection and inquiry was conducted at Central Workshop on so and so by the said inquiry committee consisting of so and so, so and so, so and so.
What is the inspection report?
The committee submitted a report to the police headquarters on a copy and close. So this FIR, Your Lordship, in the FIR, that report of the inquiry is part and parcel, Your Lordship.
Just a minute. There is an inquiry of 19/7/2022,
Lordship, yes, it is on this basis, Your Lordship. It is on this basis.
Hold on. Do not get excited.
No, I'm not excited.
Just be cool. See, there is no heat generated.
No. That is there is nothing as such, Lordship.
This is an inquiry of 2022.
Correct.
FIR came in 2024.
Lordship, correct.
Now you want us to have a look in that 2022 inquiry report.
Lordship. Yes.
Okay. Now where is that inquiry report?
That is at page 20.
That is a newspaper report. We will not read as an inquiry report.
Lordship. So if that be, then this petition also is defective because in the FIR there is a mention of the report of the inquiry of 28/7/2022 that has not been enclosed by the petitioner. He ought to have enclosed.
Look, you see, like, how can we go to other documents in the quashing of FIR?
Lordship, kindly see.
The matter is not yet charge sheeted.
Yes, it's still investigation is going on.
Give us some law that we can look into other document.
Lordship, in my this report, Your Lordship, is part and parcel of the FIR.
Until and unless it is shown to be enclosed, you see.
Lordship, kindly see, copy and close. Then if that be the case,
then this FIR is incomplete then.
Lordship, yes, not the FIR, the petition, the criminal petition is incomplete.
See this
because the report of the inquiry stated in the FIR has not been enclosed, has not been made and parcel of the petition.
Where is that? Where it says it is
Lordship,
enclosed?
kindly come to page 19.
Yes.
If Lordship kindly see somewhere in the middle, the committee submitted. Lordship has got it. Somewhere in the middle, Your Lordship, after Claudia Lingua, IPS Commandant ITML PBN.
Yes,
Then the committee submitted report to the police headquarters on 28/7 to copy and close. So that report of inquiry, Lordship, is part and parcel of this FIR. So that inquiry has to be seen, Your Lordship, whether the FIR is whether this is a FIR is can be quashed or not, Your Lordship. So the content of the report
just say, let us assume that whatever you were correct. Where is the ingredients of 409, 467?
Lordship, if we take, Your Lordship, if we take that page 24 is the report a report of 28/7/2022, Your Lordship. Yes, Your Lordship. In the ingredients.
Come to the FIR. Just say where is the allegation.
Lordship, kindly see, Your Lordship. As I have submitted, Your Lordship, the committee submitted a report to the police headquarters on 28/7/22, copy and close.
But that is okay.
Lordship. So, in my humble and respectful submission, Your Lordship, this report.
Mr. Yumin, bring that report on record.
Lordship, yes.
My Lord.
Or Your Lordship may call the record.
And then.
My Lord, this is the FIR, my Lord. I cannot create anything. This is the FIR. Whatever FIR I got, my Lord, the registration of the FIR, my lord. This is what I have enclosed, my lord. Now they
You want to say it is only mentioned, actually, in fact, no copies.
it is, in fact, my lord, in order to ascertain, my lord may direct the IO to bring the
No,
entire
we will
process.
not bring. Then, Mr. Shulai, if you want to rely on this, then you just place before us an inquiry report.
Lordship, yes.
Then, my lord, if the report comes, my lord, I reserve my supplementary argument, because then
Exactly,
it will.
and you reserve a supplementary plus, you will also see the law. We see whether we can go into and take into contents of that report.
Yes.
Because prima facie, what you say, it appears to be correct.
Yes.
This court has not found out any allegation.
Exactly, my lord.
409,
This is
471,
yes, my lord.
Okay. Now, if 409, 467, 471 goes, then 211 will not come.
Yes.
Apparently, 120B is not coming. There is no allegation of criminal conspiracy that you have conspired with someone.
Yes, my lord.
Isn't it?
Yes.
So definitely this Mr. Sulai's task will be there to at least satisfy
Yes,
this
my
court.
lord. Yes. And once
as
the
I have submitted, your lordship, that
Anyway,
report
if
of
you-
inquiry
if you-
is part.
if you- if you-
is a part and parcel of the FIR.
Just
So
you
that
see,
has to be
like
seen.
we do not know. Let us see
because
how much
now
we can decide a matter
Yes,
on the
yes.
enclosure and whether
My lord,
enclosure
exactly.
in the
Yes,
FIR would
yes.
become a part of FIR. or not.
because that will be more helpful to me, because then it will be a complete contravention to the TT Anthony's guidelines, my lord. Because then now report will come, the 7 FIRs there based on this report. This is the 8th FIR, my lord.
Based on the same report.
Yes, my lord.
Now TT Anthony says that there cannot be multiple
Of FIRs, my lord. Then my learned senior will agree, then I'll be more than happy, my lord.
Anyway, let us see. Mr. Sulai, just place it on record on the next day before you argue. Just
My lord.
yes, heard. Learned counsel for the parties. It appears that the production of the production of the inquiry report dated 20/27/2022 shown to has been enclosed with
The FIR.
the FIR dated 10th May 2024 in what is the police station case number?
This is
Sada, your lordship.
Sada PS case number
1445 of 2024, your lordship.
PS case number 11405 of 2024.
144524, your
This is
lordship.
114, I think. Mr.
Lordship, yes, 144.
114, not 1.
No, 144.
144 within bracket 05.
Your synopsis says 114.
Oh, I'm sorry, my lord. Sometimes I
See,
depend
you
on my
will-
junior colleagues a lot. I'm sorry, my lord.
144,
You are there to
Yes,
assist the court,
Yes, my lord.
not
140
disrupt.
Oh, 140.
Yes, 144 it should
Yes,
be.
madam.
You just verify it from the petition in the appear part.
144, your lordship.
It appears that the report dated so and so referred to in FIR dated so and so in so and so so and so. What you said? Yes, is necessary. Just after this thing is necessary for proper appreciation of this matter. The learned AG shall place a copy of the said report dated so and so on the next date of hearing.
Lordship.
Stop list as prayed for by parties. List after
2 weeks, your lordship.
1 week.
1 week will be this will be seen. Just see. All right, 1 week will all right. As prayed for by the parties. List after 1 week.
Apply.
Please see, Mr. Sulai.
Lordship.
Honestly, till now, after reading these things, we don't find that there is any case of 409, 471,
Lordship,
467.
because the FIR
And
say-
whatever it is, how 467 and 481 came, that is
Lordship, if you are going by that report, your lordship,
let us
certainly there is, your
To-
lordship. The
to what
ingredients are
extent-
there, your lordship.
then your task will be to say that we cannot take into consideration the contents of why Mr. Shulai is so confident. If he's
No,
so
my lord,
confident,
I'll come back with TT Anthony's guidelines, and I
no,
because
that is a different issue because you have Anthony's whatever is directed on Anthony's, your petition is not framed in that line.
it is of
Then
course.
you
not,
have
but-
to
Yes.
maybe undergo.
He filed earlier, but those have been withdrawn. your
No, my lord. In this case also, my lord, my additional affidavit was allowed by my lord, which I brought all the FIRs on record, my lord. So I still have that window of arguing.
Anyway, let us see where it goes.
Yes, my lord.
We may not expand our restriction to that.
My lord.
Yes.
Apply.